So, you've ordered a nice new four-wheel drive. Let me guess, you've got big plans for it. Wow, that's a fair bit of kit. Just a quick one, do you reckon that will still be under GVM? Let's check the weight. Oh, not bad, but I think you've forgotten a few things. How about your camping gear, your fridge, all that gear for the kids? Oh, just under. Lucky. But I reckon you've still forgotten somebody. You've got a problem. What are we going to do? Tough Dog Suspension has a GVM upgrade solution for your four-wheel drive that will allow you to carry more weight safely when you head off-road. All Tough Dog Suspension GVM upgrades have been certified and tested in Australia and use quality components that carry a 4-year unlimited kilometre warranty. Well, there you go. Time for your next big adventure. Have fun! If you need a solution that allows you to carry all your touring gear and the family, get in contact with the Tough Dog team today.